What's up, everybody? Today we have this Hoover WindTunnel Supreme. We had this machine for years, and in 2011, something was wrong with it. This part was cracked, so we went to the vacuum store and they got a new part for it. And this right here is the brand new cord. See that? Look. There's the new cord for it. It had a really bad cord and it was covered in electric duct tape, so that's why. This model features attachments. The dusting brush is missing, the cover's missing, but we still have the upholstery tool and the crevice tool. And here is the hose. It's long. See? So we're going to go on Amazon, buy a shorter hose, a cover for this, and a dusting brush. And what they do on the bottom here, see if I can flip it down. There we go. They put a new brush roll in. Okay. Let me put the hose back in, because every time when I vacuum with it, it's like falling off. And it has this embedded dirt finder. Carpet is clean when light turns green. Wait till it focuses. Okay, there it's focusing. And it has this, sorry about the shakes, filter bag indicator, clean and dirty light. It also features a headlight, but the headlight does not work. Patent WindTunnel, Mach 3.6. And it takes Type Y bags and 38528-033 belts. And they just put a new bag. Alright. We'll show you it running. Alright, let's plug her in. Now you may see the hose fall off. Okay, so here it goes. See how the motor runs smooth? Alright, now I'm going to show you it, not me holding the camera. So, I'm going to set it right here. And the hose fell off again. I don't know why it's doing that.